How to see chat history on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can see chat history on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your TikTok and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can head over to your profile on the bottom right. So if you want to see your messages first, that is your chat, you can head over to this inbox section where you can find all of your messages. But let's say in case you've deleted your messages or you just want to see the history, overall history, this is what you'll need to do. You'll actually need to download your TikTok's information. So for that, head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy. And after you're on your settings and privacy, you'll then need to search for your data. Now, for that, you will need to request TikTok for your data. So head over to your account, and your account there, you will see download your data. So tap on download your data, and it will take you to this page right here where you can select data to download. So let's select our data to download. Tap on all data and select custom. And after you've selected that, you'll need to select messages. Then tap on done and tap on request data. After you've requested, you can come back to this page right here, that is download data section. You'll see something like this that says download. Tap on download. After you've received the download option, verify your account. Then you can download your information. And that's how you can see chat history on TikTok. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.